Welcome to Romeo Maths and Science class. Today we want to look at how we can solve some questions in probability. But we want to look at tossing a coin. I have question 1 and question 2. I'm going to solve question 1 so that you try question 2. Alright, let us look at question 1. 3 fair coins are tossed once. Write down the set of possible outcomes. Now, in tossing a coin, one thing we need to know is that if you have a coin and you toss it twice, it's the same as having 2 coins tossing it once. Now, for a coin, we have head and tail. Therefore, if the coin are 2 and you are tossing it once, you are going to get head, head, all right, tail, tail, head, tail, and tail, head. So this is the outcome for tossing 2 coins once, or a coin that is tossed twice. Okay, now the coins are 3. So I'm going to draw a table so that I can easily get my outcome without any difficulty. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll do it like this. All right, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head. Nicely. Then I'll come here. Then I'll put my head and the tail here nicely. So this is how our table is going to be now. So we just pair them. This will pair this. So you have head, head, head. You have head, tail, tail. You have head, head, tail. And you have head, tail, head. Tail, head, head. Tail, tail, tail. Tail, head, tail. And tail, tail, head. So this is how the outcome will be. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number of outcome is going to be what? 8. So from this, we are going to use this outcome to answer the question. So let's see what we can do now. So this is our A. Let's go to the B part. What is the probability of obtaining exactly 2 head? So we are looking for only 2 head, all right? So we can say that let A equal to event of obtaining exactly, all right, exactly 2 heads. 2 heads. All right, so we'll just go to the table and check exactly 2 head. We want only 2 what? Head. So we have head, head, tail, all right? And again, exactly 2 head. We can also see head, tail, head here. And when we come here, we can also see tail, head, head. And I think that is all we can see here. Okay, so the next one is so the number of exactly this will give us 1, 2, it will be 3, 1, 2, 3. So the next one will go for probability of exactly of obtaining exactly 2 heads, all right, 2 heads will be equal to, all right, we have 3 here divided by what? 8. And this is how the answer will be for the I. So we have no tail. So we can say that let F equal to event, all right, event of obtaining no tail. no tail. All right. So let us see our event. No tail. So we are going to look at no tail. So no tail, it means we have only this one, head, as we can see. So the number of this will be what? 1. So we can go forward and write the probability of obtaining no tail. All right, it's going to be 1 over what? 8, and that will be our answer. Let us look at the III. All right, so the III will be, we can also say, let C equal to event of obtaining not more than one head. One head. All right. So we'll go to the table again. Not more than what? One head. So we'll go to the table. Not more than one head, which means that one head or less. So if one head, then we are looking at head, tail. We are also looking at head, not more than one head. So here we can also see this. All right, tail, head, tail. All right, and tail, head. So this is what we are going to get. All right, so the number of this will give us 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Okay, so we can go ahead and say probability of not more than one head will be equal to, so we have 4 over 8, all right, which will give us 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So this is how we can answer this probability question. Just look at how it is nicely. You look at this process and solve question number 2. Question number 2, you are lucky, is only a third die which is tossed twice. So this is the outcome you will get. Use it to answer these questions. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. And more videos are coming.